Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that they have cellular connectivity issue, poor 5G signal and no service. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Method 1 is enable and disable airplane mode. To do this, open Settings app. Enable airplane mode. Wait for few seconds and disable it. Method 2 is restart your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your device. Wait for few seconds and turn it back on by press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Method 3 is reset network settings. When you do reset network settings, all your connected Wi-Fi password will be deleted. Before doing this, make sure that you know your all Wi-Fi password. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset Network Settings, tap Reset Network Settings in the pop-up window to confirm the process. Method 4 is hard reboot your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Method 5 is check for iOS update. To check, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Tap Software Update. If iOS update is available, download and install it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.